Hello guys, welcome to the best HTML and CSS tutorial series. In this tutorial series I will teach you from scratch. Before we get started, I want to introduce myself. About me, my name is Shamsujja Sayan, student of Daffodil International University and freelancer, web developer and video editor. So let's know about HTML. HTML is Hypertext Markup Language for creating web pages and web application with Cascading Style Sheet and JavaScript. That means every web pages and website you see on your browser that is made with basically HTML and CSS. This is a markup language. So let's see. Try google.com. Just go to google.com and press Ctrl U, or you can right click and just view page source. You see in view page source it started with the HTML tag and end with HTML tag. Every web pages or website you see, you just right click there and go to view page source. You can find the HTML code at the beginning and ending. That is the power of markup language HTML. Okay, let's know about CSS. CSS is Cascading Style Sheet. Is a style sheet language that used for describing the presentation of documentation written in markup language. That means in HTML, whatever you write in HTML, if you want to that stylish or to be looking better, you need CSS. So CSS is cornerstone technology of the World Wide Web alongside HTML and JavaScript. Okay, let's go to the basic instruction for this course. What we need to get started. We just need a text editor and internet browser. Text editor will use Visual Studio Code. You can also use Notepad++ or Sublime Text or Atom. That is also good, but I prefer Visual Studio Code. I used all of them. For internet browser you can use Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome. I prefer always Chrome. Okay, that's all for this video. I'll see you in next video. Thank you.